We all love science, it's crazy and fun. We're about to have fun. We all love math, science. We all love science, it's crazy and fun. We're about to have fun. With math, science.
Hi, this is Jolting, Johnathan of Mad Science of Southern Massachusetts and Rhode Island, and I am back with my friends at Fall River Community Media. Today we are going to be talking about chemical reactions. I know we've talked before about chemical reactions, and we talked about how sometimes it will give off heat, or sometimes it gives off bubbles, like with carbon dioxide. If you've ever done the vinegar and baking soda experiment, it's because it's a chemical reaction giving off carbon dioxide. But there are other things that can happen. And I want to talk about a really famous experiment called water to juice. And water to juice is really kind of cool. And I've actually got these cups right here, and these cups have some things in it, but I'm not going to tell you what's in it because that takes all the fun out of it. I'll tell you afterwards. So I've got this cup full of substances right here. I've got this cup, and now I'm going to very carefully pour it into this next cup of water right here. But is it water? We'll have to wait and find out. So I'm going to pour this into the, and something happens. And then I'm going to take this beautiful red color right here. I'm going to take it and I'm going to pour it into this clear cup right there. Let's see what happens there. Absolutely nothing. And if you look, we get a little bit of red. It's starting to turn. And then it goes, and then it's starting to turn, and then what is happening? What is happening? Well, in order to tell you, and if I finally pour the end of it, then let's see, does it go? Is it going to turn back? Is it good? It's starting to get lighter. 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 And it's suddenly back. That's because this cup had vinegar in it. Yeah, I know, vinegar, acetic acid, big deal. But it's what's in these cups that was really actually kind of interesting. In my first cup, I had a little bit of water and a chemical called phenolphthalein. And phenolphthalein is really actually kind of cool because phenolphthalein does something really awesome. It changes color when it touches a base. And a base, we know, we've got acids and bases. We've got acids over here. We got bases over here. We got water in the middle at 7. Acids can burn. Bases can burn, but bases are a little bit different. And in my second cup, I had a base called sodium hydroxide. My sodium hydroxide made that water really basic. So I took that water with that indicator that would turn color, and I poured it into my base. I poured it into the base, and it turned that beautiful purple color. But then I poured it into my acid. When I poured it into my acid, my vinegar right here, that vinegar neutralized that base, and it became very acidic, and we got this wonderful clear liquid, all because of a little bit of chemistry and some chemical reactions. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for tuning in. I always have a good time here with my friends at Fall River Community Media. I'm Jolting Johnathan from Mad Science of Southern Massachusetts and Rhode Island, and we will be back with another video very soon. I hope I see you guys then. Thank you.
We all love science, it's crazy